guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time, guys, is the number 116. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell to stay notified. And of course, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style, and down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This, guys, is the number 116. If you would like to see the previous 115, all you have to do is check out the playlist, which will be located in the end cards in the end of this video. And here it talks about a dollhouse version of a men's clothing shop. So, but of course, in the Victorian style for men. So, big hats, bow ties, all of that. Here we have a miniature of a fabric shop with a little shopkeeper there. Here we have a bit of a better picture. Wow, this is from the 1900s. That's really cool. And over here it shows you how to make a dress for your dollhouse. It shows you all of the materials that you'll need, and then down below it walks you through how to do it step by step. And guys, as I always say with this collection, well, we are very close to ending this collection, so you're gonna want to stay tuned because soon we are going to be building the dollhouse and doing all of these little projects. So guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to notify you whenever we post something new. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. Here it just gives some historical background, which is one of the really cool things about this collection. I really love that they not only show you how to build the dollhouse, but they also give you some historical context as well. And well guys, that's the end of that. We just have the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And well guys, let's flip back to the front. And now guys, it's time to check out the new addition to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so here we have our new addition to our dollhouse. It's this little small carpet. We're just gonna open it up so we can have a better look at it. There you have it. You have this really nice little carpet for the dollhouse. I really like it. It's soft, just like the other one. It's not super stiff. I thought when I first saw them inside the packaging that they would be a bit stiff, but they're not, which is pretty nice. I do wish they wouldn't have folded it in the packaging, but that's the only little thing I would have changed. But other than that, I really like it. I'm going to show you the other side, which you can see is just plain. And well, you guys tell me what you guys think about this number. Tell me down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell to stay notified. And of course guys, down in the description below, I will have the links to all of my social media. So my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, linked all down below. I look forward to seeing you guys on there. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does game how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.